Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to change WhatsApp group admin. If you are using WhatsApp and now you want to change or customize your admin settings, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your WhatsApp app and here just open the group and here you just have to go for group info and you will get all of your admins in your members section with the admin title or tag. If you want to delete someone from admins, you just have to select it and then select dismiss as admin or remove or delete as admin. Just select the option and after that the person will be removed from admin. But if you want to make anyone admin, you just have to select the contact and then select make group admin and after that in the person or contact will be the admin of the group. So that's how you can easily change or customize the group admin on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.